in up to date by now, isn't it? So,
Yeah.
wow.
I'll get back.
Well, good to see you, bro.
Yeah, you
Take
too.
care, man.
You too.
See you soon. Yeah, John is packing up. John, are we gonna go to McDonald's, get a hot drink and that, yeah?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Go down and get some hot drink. So like, let me go show people because they're not seen you for a long time.
I know.
And people have been concerned about you. I've been concerned as well.
Looked at blogs on you, you know. She lives up near you at Bispham there.
Sarah. That's Sarah. It's a lady, you know.
Wrexham. She has a Wrexham scarf on her.
No, it's Wrexham. Yeah, that's Sarah.
Yeah,
She comes and buys. She said to me she came and bought you a drink and she gave you some clothes as well.
She come last night and she asked me and a couple of Joe Sleeps, do we need, we said no we don't. But if we did we would have asked and she would have.
She asked you what to get what?
She asked us if we need anything.
Anything?
Anything at all. And we told her last night, no, we're all good, you're good.
No, you need to. She's willing to
but
help.
When we don't need it, we don't ask for it.
You don't ask for it?
No. We're not
then,
like that, no.
How's your drinking though? Have you cut down or?
Well, somebody came this morning.
Yeah?
What they said is this.
Somebody came in the morning and brought a drink?
I've been behind bar in hotel and I've robbed all these bottles, you know. And he gave me a little bit like that in it, but it were all right. I just fell asleep there for a little while.
You fell asleep?
A bit late, yeah, I am.
Wow.
Yeah, he come and give me a drink, he did.
Yeah, Sarah said, yeah, she takes you to...
Yeah, she does. She looks after me, she does, yeah.
Yeah, she's a lovely person,
Yeah,
yeah.
she is,
She's a nice lady.
Yeah, she is, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, she supports Wrexham.
Wrexham, that's us, it's Sarah, I remember.
They're above us. They're above us in league. I support Huddersfield, you know that, because I'm from Huddersfield.
Okay.
Yeah, we drew here 2-0 at weekend.
2-0 at the weekend?
2-2 at weekend with Blackpool, we did that.
Right. Yeah. That's great. Alright guys, we're gonna wait for John to pack up and then we're gonna go to McDonald's and get a drink. So I'm just setting up. I want to go live as well. Go live. So yeah, let's give him a chance to finish up packing and then this thumbnail sometimes So you've been having people that's been hanging around here with you?
Pardon?
You've been having people or friends that have been hanging around with you here?
They do come hanging around, yeah they do. But,
where is the Scouts guy that used to... Where's the Scouts guy that used to hang around here?
He's gone this morning, he went earlier on.
He went earlier?
Yeah, you just missed him, yeah.
Right, so guys, we're here with John, our friend that we met a while back. John, he's packing up. Yeah, this morning I woke up around 5 a.m. I said I need to come and meet you, you know, I need to come and find you.
Yeah.
So because it's been a while, we've not seen each other.
Yeah.
Been a while. When was the last time I saw you? Was it November or December?
No, it's been this year, you know.
Yeah, is it? Not this year, it was last year.
No, it's been this year.
Did I see you this year?
Yeah, you came down here a bit back. It's been a while ago though.
Yeah, no, it's last year before I travelled. So I went to Africa and came back. I told you I'm going to go to Africa, didn't I?
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, since after that,
Yeah.
I've not come across with you. So guys, this is John. So if you want to see John, you go. But he sleeps here. Well, John, look at that door though. You're not going to...
Somebody's done something. Look, have you seen a big crack in it? You can't see
look,
it, but
there's a crack there. I can see it.
crack in it there, look.
They're not going to blame you like for this.
No, it's not been done in the night while
It's done in the daytime?
It's been done in the daytime.
Before you came here, alright.
Yeah.
Because, but it's good for them like you here at night because nobody's going to come and try and break in.
Yeah, no, they're not. They know that, I think, yeah.
Oh, that's
They know
silly.
me, they catch me here now and again asleep.
Sleeping, yeah. It's safer. It's safer with you here than if you're not here.
Yeah, it's like having a sleeping policeman on.
Yeah, exactly. It seems like you're a caretaker here.
Yeah.
Well, let's go to McDonald's and get a drink there.
Just put it over there like that.
I think I've got my bank card. I can pay with a card. Yeah.
Right, let's go.
So you want to just? There's a bottle here. Want to put a bottle in it? Yeah, that's it.
About that, I need to get rid of that.
Yeah. I ain't got a spare hand. Otherwise, I will say. You all right? Good. Yeah, put it in the bin. There's a bin over that side as well. Yeah, John always tidy up. When he wakes up, he tidies up the place. He makes sure everything not left behind, so he makes sure everything's tidy. He's not a messy person, you know. But look at that there, man. Seems like somebody trying to break in. Somebody trying to break in the outdoor. So yeah. Good morning, sir. How are you? Yeah, we are. We're on live as well. I just came to see John. Yeah, John is wrapped up. He's giving him fag as well. See, they do look after each other. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We are live in Blackpool. I came to see John, my homeless friend. So he's been here for 6 months, but he still haven't got a place. The council haven't gave him a place yet. Still, he's not got a place to stay. He's been here a whole winter. Since in the summer, he's been here. Hello, Julie. Good morning, Julie. Since in the summer, he's been here. He's not got a place. And it's been 6 months. It's supposed to be 6 months when you're here in the town. They should get you a place. They still not got him a place.
Yeah. All right, Joe.
They still not got him a place yet. So he's sucking. Julie, good morning. How are you, Julie? So Julie, I'm filming at the same time, and I'm gonna take John to the McDonald's. We're gonna have a hot drink. He's gonna go and get a hot drink with John. So yeah, he's John there. So we're going to McDonald's and get a drink, get a hot drink. So yeah, so we are here. This place is not open, but we'd rather go to we're going to McDonald's anyway. Do you want us to cut through, or let's just walk through the back?
No, we have to walk around.
Let's walk around, yeah, because it's smoking as well. So guys, here we are. That's our Hansfield in town. Julie's saying hi to you.
Oh yeah.
Julie.
Yeah.
Yeah, saying hi.
Yeah.
So here.
Good morning, thank you very much and all that.
You see? So guys, saying thank you to all of you.
Having a good day, yeah.
Yeah, she's in California.
Is
She's
she
in
really?
America, yeah. She's always traveling.
I've been to San Francisco. I used to live there, you know.
Did you?
Many years ago, yeah, when I was a young boy.
When you were a young boy?
Yeah, I went on Laker Airways. It only cost 99 quid to go one way.
Wow, who took you? Or...
Freddie Laker. I went on my own, you know.
Did you? How old are you when you went then?
About 18, 19. I was working down West End in London in a bar.
Right.
In fact, I was underage. I was only 17.
Right.
I shouldn't have been allowed to work in a bar.
In a bar in America?
Yeah,
in San Francisco?
I went to LAX.
Yeah.
And I went to Los Angeles.
Right.
I really didn't like it. It's a big, massive place.
It's a big, massive place.
Yeah. And I really didn't like it, you know. And then I went up coast on Greyhound coach to San Francisco, up coast on coastal route. It went up on coastal route. It was lovely.
Right.
And it goes from LA up on coastal route to San Francisco.
Right.
I lived downtown San Francisco for 9 months before they died.
9 months?
Yeah, 9 months I lived there, yeah.
You lived there?
Yeah.
You lived there legally or illegally?
No, illegal. Well, yeah, I went on holiday and I stayed there for 2 years.
Why is that? Did you fall in love?
No, I went working round there. I ended up in a place called Wyoming, Evanston, Wyoming.
Wyoming, wow.
And I worked at Jolly Roger in there, I did, yeah.
Right.
And I was a chef there, that's what I do for a living. I used to be a good cook.
Good cook, wow.
Yeah, I still can. I can cook you a good plate of food anytime you like.
Like, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good cook, me, you know.
We can't wait till you get your place, then you can really invite us around.
I loved it in America, and ate Ashbury in San Francisco, up there, ate Ashbury with all hippies, it was lovely, there you go. Yeah.
Right. Oh, God. Yeah. Damn, guys. I'm happy to see John, guys. Are you guys happy to see John again? It's been a while. So Johnny's got his a suitcase there.
And I went back to San Francisco when I did my tour.
Yeah.
I was up there when Mount Eleanor in 80s, when about late 70s, 1981, 82.
Right.
And Mount Eleanor were exploding and volcano up there. And when you looked across the river at the other side, it was just the trees were matchsticks and it was just grey everywhere.
It was grey
For
everywhere.
miles and miles away. It was devastated. It was just, the trees was like matchsticks, just burnt out, and it was grey ash everywhere.
Wow.
It was absolutely unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it was. And that were on across river, as you go into Portland, Oregon there, you know.
Right.
And then I came back down through Redwoods, through Cedars and all that, and back down to San Francisco.
Yeah.
I went into immigration, and what they told me.
Wow, you went involved into immigration?
Yeah, I had to have me sent in because I was there illegally. And do you know what they said to me?
No.
They said, you can have a green ticket if you want one. Do
Green
you know
card,
what?
yeah.
Yeah, I could have a green card, I could stay there and work if I want to. I
Right.
said, no, I want to go home.
You want to go home?
Yeah, and they paid me a ticket back home. It cost them a fortune, you know. It cost them about $700. And I came back on a Pan America jumbo jet clipper.
Right.
They don't have them anymore, but it flew from SAF, San Francisco.
Hey, Sarah is saying hi, Sarah.
Yeah, yeah. And I landed back in Gatwick, I did, yeah.
In Gatwick?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Wow,
Yeah, yeah.
wow,
Yeah,
amazing.
I had a good time, a young
You had a
boy
good
then.
time, you travelled a bit the world then,
yeah,
innit?
Yeah, well, a young boy then.
Young
I did a
boy.
bit of that. My dad said I just went and bummed around the world, but I mean, that's what he thought about me there.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Wow, so guys, we got John here. So he's got his sleeping bag and he's got his like a suitcase. That's where he's got all his stuffs.